Time, the silent ally of investment, waits for no one. Every moment you delay, the cost of securing a comfortable future escalates. Life's uncertainties, such as education, home ownership, starting a family, they all might justify a pause. But often, fear and ignorance are the culprits behind procrastination. Let's say you're aiming for $1 million nest egg by age 67 in Canada. At 27, a mere $200 per month will set you on this path. Delay a decade and this figure more than doubles to over $500 a month. If you wait until 47, it soars nearly sevenfold. Finally, if procrastination comes to an end at 57 or 62, the monthly sums become daunting. You're now looking at a $13,000 monthly investment. These figures, based on a 9% return rate, illustrate the power of time and compound interest. The earlier you begin, the less you need to invest and the greater your potential growth. Parents often miss the opportunity to invest for their children from birth when time is most on their side. The next best time to start is always now. The key is to overcome hesitation and embrace the present as your moment of action. The lesson is clear. Start investing now. Seek expert advice and watch your future take root. Remember, in the world of investment, time is not just money. It's everything.